Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In today's episode we are going to continue an old series, the building vehicles for my Lego City series. So first thing first, we are going to build a Yugo, which was requested by a viewer, and let's start. So the Yugo is finished. So thanks to Luca for suggesting this idea. It was fun to make this small car, and I enjoyed it. It's probably not my best build so far. It's really not that great. It's not that good, but I'm not good at building small things. I'm better at building bigger things than building smaller things. And this car is really small. As you can see, it's 6 studs wide, and I rarely ever do that. And I did that with the multi-car, but that turned out shit. And this isn't better than that, but it's not worse, so I think that you get that this is a Yugo if you know that this is a Yugo, and it's not really bad, but it's definitely not my favorite build that I built so far. So the other thing that I want to build is an ice cream truck, because every city needs an ice cream truck. Okay, maybe not every city, but a lot of cities need an ice cream truck, including mine. So let's begin. So guys, I want to give some tips to you. Sorry for the lot of yellow color around the table. The white balance of my phone isn't the best. So if you have something that you want to build but you don't know what is it called, Google the thing that comes to your mind. So I want to build an old American style ice cream truck, and I want the front to look like a FedEx delivery truck. So Google American delivery van. And now you have some pictures, and you can scroll through, find one that you like. This is a good picture, and start building. So guys, I finished building these creations, and I think that they turned out okay. So this is the Yugo. As you can probably see, it's a really small car. It doesn't have an interior, and this is the ice cream truck, and it's a big van, and there are things that I could make better on this van. There are a lot of things that I don't like about this van, and I'm going to upgrade this in a future episode. In the next episode of building vehicles for my Lego City, I'm going to build interiors for all of the cars that don't have interiors, and There are a lot of cars that don't have that, including the rescue helicopter. So that's what I'm going to do in the next episode of this series. And I think that I'm going to, after that video, I'm going to stop this series because I have 12 cars and that's enough for the city, I think. So if you guys have any ideas that aren't vehicles, they are welcome. If you have an idea that's a vehicle, you can still say it in a comment if it's a good idea and I like it and I can build it, because the most limiting factor right now is the fact that I'm running out of vehicle parts. So the parts that you need for vehicles, mostly tires in a lot of different colors. So yeah, this is almost the last episode of this series, and I really enjoy this series. I think the creations that I built in this series turned out nicely, and I like these mocks as well. I hope that you guys like them as well. And yeah, I think that's everything that I wanted to say. So if you guys like this video, like it, subscribe if you haven't done it yet, and keep on building as always.